Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Traders coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive, and we're going to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff, ton of stuff. We're going to be talking about Jeremy Diamond. He thinks that Bitcoin is a pet rock and that it is a big fraud out there. Also, we're going to be talking about the Shibarium launch date, guys. So I'm going to be showing you the confirmation date, and that is cool, and that is big news, and that's one of the reasons that we're seeing Shiba Inu taking off, guys. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin, some support levels, and what I think is going to be happening to the Woozer out there, guys. So if this sounds interesting, if this sounds cool, let's get into the content. And before we start, I gotta say a big happy birthday to my wife out there. It's her birthday, and guess what? For her birthday, I am giving her one freaking Bitcoin. She don't know yet, so hopefully by the time she watches this video, she'll know. Happy birthday, babe. I love you. So guys, let's jump into the content without any further delay. And remember, none of this is financial advice. Don't forget to go down there, lick those likes, lick them. Pound the likes, smash the likes, and boop the likes for humans and mankind, and be good to humans out there. They need some love, guys. It's a great time to be alive. We're getting pretty close to the Chinese New Year that's coming on here in Vietnam, so it's a big celebration, and it is crazy out here. So right now we are seeing the fear and greed index is around 45. So we're slightly in the fear. We're not neutral, but it's okay, guys. Nothing too much to worry about. We did see that yesterday the Nasdaq and all the stinkity stonks did get hammer time, and that is not good. And that was caused by the fact that the European markets all tankety tank. So it looks like you know, the U.S. markets just followed suit, and you know, we're seeing that also in Japan, the inflation has reached the highest since 1981. OMG out there, guys. So if you take a look at the daily on-chain, we're seeing something kind of weird happening. We're seeing more Bitcoin being put on exchanges, more Ethereum being put on exchanges, and it looks like people are doing a little bit of selling out there, guys and gals. So so guys, let's talk about Jeremy Diamond, JP Morgan CEO, and he's really talking about that, you know, Bitcoin is a fraud, it's a pet rock, and you know that it was not going to stop at 21 million. So let's hear what he has to say about that. He was in Davos. He was talking about talking to the squawkbuckers out there. Let's listen to what he has to say out there.
What we're talking about, we pretty much always have some crypto conversation with you. I'm just curious because I don't think we've talked to you since.
I think all that's been a waste of time, and why you guys waste any breath on it is totally beyond me.
Because you just think the whole thing just is
going to zero.
Going to zero and it's fake.
Bitcoin itself is a hyped up fraud.
Whoa!
It's a pet rock.
You're back to that?
Yeah,
really?
Of course, yeah.
So what do you make then of BlackRock and other firms that are investing in infrastructure?
No, that's different. Blockchain is a technology ledger system that we use to move information. We've used it to do overnight repo, intraday repo. We've used it to move money. Right. So that is a ledger. That's a technology ledger type of thing that we think will be deployable. Remember, we've been talking about that for 12 years too, and very little's been done.
There's some tokens that I agree with you on, but Bitcoin's based on a distributed ledger.
Yeah,
it has all the characteristics of a store of value. It's immutable. It's scarce.
Totally untrue. It's
21 million.
Well, yeah, really. How do you know it's going to stop at 21 million?
Because
I've mentioned this to people.
Satoshi.
Everyone says that. Well, maybe it's going to get to 21 million, and Satoshi's picture is going to come up and laugh at you all and say, "No."
There isn't a picture.
And by then, Satoshi will take out billions of dollars.
What was your reaction to the failure of FTX and all of that?
All right, guys. So you can see that Jeremy Diamond, he's saying that Bitcoin is a fraud. It's no better than a pet rock out there, and he's saying that you know, it's like a decentralized Ponzi scheme, and that there's no guarantee that Bitcoin is going to stop at 21 million. Well, here's the thing. Keep in mind that behind the scenes, JP Morgan has been offering crypto and Bitcoin to its biggest and wealthiest clients. We all know that. Keep in mind that JP Morgan has also created its own token and blockchain. So what you're seeing here is that Jamie Dimon, time and time again, the king of FUD, what he does is he spreads FUD, he spreads fear, panic, doubt, and uncertainty out there, because what he's doing, what JP Morgan is doing, is buying up his buying up as much Bitcoin as possible, guys. So that is what he's talking about, and you know, he's just spreading FUD because he wants the price to stay cheap. He wants the price to stay cheap so they can be buying more and more Bitcoin. So he does this all the time. I mean, if you look back in history, you know, he'll go on, you know, go on to media, he'll go on and say, look, you know, Bitcoin is terrible, crypto is bad, blah, blah, blah. But secretly behind the scenes, they're buying the crypto, guys. So what he's doing, he wants you to panic. He wants the paper hands to panic, guys. So guys, keep in mind that the number of addresses holding a plus one Bitcoin is now over 970,000. Will it reach 1 million in coming weeks? So you can see that the number of people holding Bitcoin is going up, guys. So this is amazing, amazing, amazing. And we can see that it continues to go up, it continues to rise, and that is pretty cool beans. And just goes to show that people and the sentiment is positive. Another good indicator that things are good and that Bitcoin is not a pet rock, it's not a fraud, it's not a Ponzi scheme, is that balances on exchange just reached a 4-year low of 2.2 million Bitcoin. Previously 4-year low of 2.2 Bitcoin was observed on December 2022. So we're seeing that the number of Bitcoin on exchange is going down because people are buying it, people are holding it, people are moving into hardware wallets, people are keeping self-custody of their Bitcoin, guys. So that is important, absolutely important out there. Some other kind of not so good news. Looks like Digital Currency Group halts dividends in an effort to preserve liquidity. And, you know, digital currency group, they own CoinDesk, they own Coins Philippines, Coins Thailand, a whole bunch of stuff, guys. And you know, this is all related to this whole Genesis Global Trade, which reportedly owes creditors about $3 billion, guys. So as you guys know, the Winklevoss brothers, they sent an open letter to Barry Silbert out there. So looks like they're trying to preserve liquidity. If Digital Currency Group, DCG, goes down, it is going to make FTX and Sam Bankman Fried Chicken look like a Happy Meal out there. So this is not good, guys. So let's keep an eye on that. It looks like they're going to have to sell some of their assets to basically fill in that $3 billion hole, guys. So oh no, OMG, guys. Also too, look at this. Last time Bitcoin had a huge short squeeze. This is the highest 24-hour short squeeze since 2021 August. So the last time we had something similar was way back then. And after we had this short squeeze, what happened to Bitcoin? It pumped up, guys. It pumped up like crazy. And this could be a signal out there that Bitcoin is going to be going to the moon, guys. Just keep in mind, we're still going to be talking about Dogecoin 111, Dogecoin 555. And guys, happy birthday to my wife out there. Send some birthday love out there. I appreciate it. Guys, another index out there is another red day being printed here in the dollar. So that is a good sign. If you take a look at the DXY right now, where is my DXY? You can see that the DXY is down, down. That is good. The more that the DXY collapses, the better it is for crypto, the better it is for you out there in YouTube land. It's a great time to be live, guys. So I'm loving it. You should be loving it too. So it looks like another red day being printed here on dollar index. Good sign, which suggests continued rotation away from risk off. Shows that relatively less people are flocking to the dollar. Sign of slowly waking up, guys. So, people are going to be, moving away from the dollar. And where are they going to put their money? They're going to put it in crypto. They're going to put it in Bitcoin. They're going to put it in Dogecoin. We love the Doge. You love the Doge. Smash Dogecoin 111, guys. It is a great time to be alive. And also, too, we're seeing that 48.58% of Bitcoin supply has not moved in at least 2 years. And this is an all-time high, guys. Put it differently, that's over 9.3 billion coins. That's almost 50% of the total supply of Bitcoin in circulation has not moved. So people are hodling, people are loving, people are going crazy, guys. And trust me, in 2025, when Bitcoin pumps to the freaking moon, Dogecoin and all the other cryptos are going to go insane, guys. They're going to make the last bull run look like pupushmata out there, guys. So it looks like Crypto.com says global crypto holders increased by 39% to 425 million in 2022. Interesting news. We are seeing global adoption like never before, guys and gals. If you take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin right now, so Doge is still looking strong. It is in a little bit of consolidation right now, as you can see here. It's in a little bit of range-bound consolidation, and it's still being supported at 8 cents. We are still inside the EMA ribbons, which is good because previously we've been going down, down below the EMA ribbons. So we're going up, guys. So I still think that 9 cents is just around the corner. And some people are going to ask me when we can see 10 cents coming in for Dogecoin. I think that we should be seeing 10 cents coming in probably around about mid-February. We should see that Dogecoin will pump to 10 cents, and we will stay there, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. What do you think, guys? Let's take a look at the Dogecoin tokenomics right now. Luckily, we're having a nice bit of a turnaround. We're up almost about 0.79% at 8124 for Doge. Woozer. Market cap is unfortunately below 11 billion. Not looking too good. Keep in mind, we still have the big Shibarium announcement. When is the Shibarium go live date? We're going to be talking about that, guys. So keep watching. I got to keep you guys interested. Got to keep you watching to the end, guys. So it's a great time to be live, guys. So what else is coming in? We're seeing that Dogecoin, it's being supported right now, and it's been going sideways. So we're seeing that Dogecoin is basically going sideways. I expect this to continue for the next couple of days. And, our next resistance is around about 10.04 out there. So our next resistance is around about 10.04. And we need to definitely get past 0.87 mark to have some further movement, guys. So I'm not too concerned, guys. I think that we're going to see a nice moonshot. We're going to see Dogecoin definitely getting itself back up to 10 cents. Who's in the money? Who's in the freaking money for Dogecoin right now? We are seeing right now, pow, Dogecoin 111. Good timing, OG. We're seeing that 59% are in the money. Not too shabby. And we're moving into more neutral territory. So I'm pretty happy about that. Let's jump into Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin right now, it's forming in the daily a huge bull flag. I think this is a bull flag out there. We got this huge flag ball here, and we have a pennant formation happening. If this does break out as I predict, we could see a nice price target, guys and gals. Probably we see a nice price target to around about 25,246. We are getting some really overhead resistance around about this area, which is around about 21,300-ish. Around that area is a huge resistance, but we are going sideways. As long as we stay within this channel, we're going to be fine, and we could be going up. Do expect that we could get some more corrections, but I think this is probably going to be the last major correction. Let's see if the debt ceiling is raised today in the U.S. If it does, you'll probably see that the markets will turn around and be a nice pump, guys. We're also seeing that right now the RSI is still a little bit oversold, a little bit overheated. So we do expect some sideways action. That's going to cool down the RSI and make things look better. On the weekly, still looking good. We have a weekly candle closing. We've got 2 days, 23 hours left in this week. I think we're going to close in the green. Ethereum right now, Ethereum is doing pretty good. Also, the Ethereum as well is well above my EMA ribbons. That is good news. And it looks like we're getting also a bull flag pennant, and that could take us up to around about $1,800, guys. So I see that $1,800 is probably the next measured move out there. So we're still looking good. We're still looking good. Expect there could be a little bit of profit taken, some retrenchment down, but don't worry about that. Overall, right now, if you take a look at the heat map, guys, we're seeing the heat map is looking very positive. Everything is in the green, which is better than yesterday. We're also seeing, if you guys notice, that the cryptos are up, but the stinkity stonks are down. So it seems to be a divergence, uncoupling of the crypto from the broader markets, which is good. That's what we need, guys. That's what we need. If you take a look at what's going on in terms of the total market cap right now, we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance at 41.4%, and Ethereum is dominance at 19.4%. Overall, we're seeing a nice green day out there. Not huge moves like 5-10%, but we are seeing a good move, guys, and we're kind of retracing some of the losses we had in the last 2 days, guys. Remember, we had 14 green days, so it's normal to have 1 to 2 red days. People taking profit, and things got oversold, and things are kind of just resting, relaxing. So right now, guys, this is Shibatoshi Kusama's official Twitter, and remember, he is the lead dev, and he did tell us in his Twitter when exactly the Shibarium is coming out. So guys, if you read here, he said Shibarium in a heart-shaped box with a bow. So guys, he's telling you that the Shibarium launch is going to be happening February 14th, which is Valentine's Day, guys. Heart-shaped box with a bow. So that is when Shibarium is going to launch, and you're going to start to see that as we get closer, that it's going to pump, guys. So if you take a look at what is going on with Shiba Inu right now, Shiba Inu is going up on this news. I still think, remember, this could be buy the news, sell the rumors, guys. So remember, as we get closer to the February 14th out there, you're probably going to see a retracement. So from that perspective, I still think, from my perspective, I'm going to be picking up some more Shiba Inu. And I'm looking at a target when Shibarium, you know, as we get 1 or 2 days before the launch, we'll probably see Shiba Inu get up to around about this area. And then once it's official, we will see a retracement. Remember, buy the news, sell the rumors. So probably around about the 12th of February, I will get out of the positions that I'm buying now. I still have my hollow bag, but you know, I will get out of the positions that I'm going to be buying today around about the 12th of February. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm planning. Not financial advice. You do you out there, guys. I don't want you to do anything that would, you know, do your own research. Never invest more than we will do. And guys, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there. Move it to a hardware wallet. You will sleep better at night. And guys, if you're not getting YouTube notifications, guys, please remember to do one thing. Join the conversation. Go down below to my video description and check out all the connections, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a closey wozy out there, guys. So guys, be blessed. Go follow me on my Twitter. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. And guys, believe it or not, we got the blue check mark. We're at 5,922 followers. Follow. And remember, watch out for nasty scammer, whammer, bammers out there. There's like 2 or 3 fake Twitter accounts, fake Facebook accounts, fake Discord accounts. They will try to contact you. They will reach out to you and they'll say, sign up for this, deposit this. We don't do that. That's not the OG, guys. We're just keeping it real, bringing the news, unbiased opinion out there. I want everybody to be safe. Remember, crypto's a freaking jungle out there, guys. So be well, be blessed. I'll see you in the next one. And guys, don't forget, if you're wondering where all the connections are, go down to below the video. You've got the Discord. We've got the Now Ledger connection. Buy the channel a coffee. I appreciate it. Don't forget super chats if you're in the live, or super thanks if you're watching later. And we've got the Dogecoin tippy jar, guys. We've got the merchy guys. So get up there. And if you're wondering where the Dogecoin tippy jar is, click the link and it takes you to this page. All you can do is copy or screenshot and send some love our way, guys. So get the merch, buy the merch. I love it, guys. So be blessed, be well. I'm off to work as soon as this video is wrapped up. I'm going to work, guys. So be blessed. Have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic. Like my shirt, it's shimmering. It's shimmering in the video. I'm sure it's shimmering, guys. Like wonder what's going on, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Be blessed, be well. Happy birthday to my wife. I'll see you out there. Be blessed, be well. Be safe out there. Hug the wife, hug the kids, show some love for humanity. And happy Chinese New Year. Happy Tet to everybody. The year of, I think it's the year of the cat, right? You got to check with the wife. She knows better than me. So be well. Lick the likes. I'll see you in the next one. I love it. You love it. Let's get it.